Hey, you two. Just confirming the drywall. I'd been here before. I checked it out. It's good. I do see a little bit of tape here. That maybe pulled off a little bit. Here. That little hole is made, and I wanted to recalculate my words. Here, I think the tape pulled off a little paint. I see that as well. I'm going to ask Breener to take care of that. Here in this bathroom, looks good, neat, clean. I'm going to go check out the the garage. I'm going to re-airflate this, reinflate.